The first exercise is underarm push-ups. You're gonna do it like this and breathe in, breathe out. Just touch your chest, that's important. You see, if you are unable to do it like this, the more you do your hands like this, the more easier it will be for you. Because you do it like this, you can start here, but slowly you will build, you can build till here very easily. Very easy. Okay, take a 2-minute break, switch to another. Another exercise is wide grip pull up. You gotta have a wide grip. See, wide grip. Do 10 reps, take a 2-minute break, switch to another. The third exercise is close to wide stance squat. Lift the barbell. Start with a close stance. You're gonna do 10 reps, total 10 reps. Take a 2-minute break, switch to another. Fourth exercise is biceps curl. Okay, lift the barbell, keep your body straight and slow and controlled form. Do 10 reps, take a. Now the fifth exercise is stepping lunges. Simply stepping lunges, just you're gonna step backwards. Okay, step backward like this. Breathe out. Breathe out. Slow and controlled form. See, back straight like this. Do 20 reps, 10 of each leg. Take a 2-minute break, switch to another. The next exercise is barbell press to overhead. Press, overhead, return. Okay, you got the exercise, do it right. You heard the breathing pattern, do 10 reps, take a 2-minute break, switch to another. Now the another exercise is weighted plank. Keep a heavy weight plates on your back. Normal breathing, 1 minute plank, take a 2-minute break, switch to another. Next exercise is behind the neck press. See, shoulder press. Fully take your bow down, lift up. Okay, do 10 reps, take a 2-minute break, switch to it. Now coming to our 9th exercise, that is stiff leg deadlift. Simply a deadlift, just when you go down, simply stop your legs and start lowering your lower back like this. Straight. Okay, lower, stop, then lower your back like this. Okay, do 10 reps, take a 2-minute break, switch to another exercise is see overhead tricep extension. So in control form, lift up, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Do 10 reps, take a 2-minute break, switch to another. The next exercise is see the snatch. Do 10 reps, take a 2-minute break, switch to another. Now the 12th exercise is the pendlay row. You see the difference between barbell row and this is you're gonna keep your upper portion parallel to the ground. See, that's the main difference. Lift your barbell and touch from the lower back. Barbell will go from legs like this only. Come up like this, go like this. Okay. Adjust your body again and like this. Contract, take a pause, down. Do 10 reps, take a 2-minute break, switch to another. Number 13th, and the last exercise is Hanuman Dand. Come on, Jai Shri Ram. Okay, do 20 reps, 10 for each side. Take a 2-minute break and you're done.